What's up guys, welcome back with a brand new video. Today we're having a look at some great budget alternative Apple Pencil. So right here I've got some Gen 1 and Gen 2 Apple Pencil, and just to quickly let you guys know that these are not the originals Apple Pencil, although they do look very similar to the originals. Previously on the channel I have reviewed the Apple Pencil Gen 2 alternator right here. This is the one that I have reviewed previously on the channel. I'll link it down below in the description of that video if you guys want to check it out. But this time I do have an improved model, an upgraded model compared to that one. Battery life is going to be pretty similar to this one. It's going to last approximately 6 to 7 hours per charge. The improvement on this is probably going to be the build quality of the pencil itself, and also there's a serial number. And also this is going to be a new product right now. It is the Apple Pencil Gen 1. It basically has the same design, and you can charge it via the Lightning port right here. I'm going to show you guys later in the video. So this first generation Apple Pencil alternative is going to work on the older iPads from the iPad 6, 7, 8, 9, and of course the iPad 10th gen. It also work on the older iPad Pros, iPad Airs. The second gen Apple Pencil is going to work on the newer iPads such as the iPad Pro 11 and 12.9 inch, and also the iPad Air 4, iPad Air 5, and of course the iPad Mini 6. You can charge this pencil just like the originals with the magnets on the side. So the Gen 1 is going to cost approximately only $25 and $27 for the Gen 2. So let's check these out. Let's start with the Gen 2 Apple Pencil, since I got the newer iPad Pro 3rd generation 11 inch. So as you can see, the packaging looks pretty good. Looks very similar to what you'll get with the original ones, and of course we do have that little sticker right there with the serial number. So let's unbox this. We got the pull tab. First thing you'll see in the box is going to be this little pen flip that says designed by Apple in California. And then right here we do have some manuals, as you can tell. Overall, the packaging looks pretty nice. Now this pencil is going to work perfectly fine like the originals. It's going to be great for students, for note-taking, for editing videos, but if you are an artist, a professional artist, I probably would recommend getting the originals. So here is the pencil itself, very simple. Inside right here, this is the design of the pencil. Looks really nice. We got the charging mechanism right here with the magnets. This is going to be an interchangeable tips. You can get the originals if you prefer the quality of the originals, and here is going to be that little pin right there. Overall, the quality feels really nice, has a nice weight to it. And I'm just going to quickly unbox the Gen 1 Apple Pencil. As you can see, once again, here is the packaging of how it is going to look like. Once again, just a pull tab right here. The first thing you'll see once you open the box is going to be that pen flip. And of course, we do have some similar user manuals. Once you open the box, you're going to have the Apple Pencil Gen 1. Like I said, it's going to have a pretty much the same exact one-to-one design as the originals. And of course, right here, this is the main key features. It does have this magnet cap right here, and of course we do have that Lightning port with some engravings right there. And on this pencil right here on the silver side, we do have the pencil engraving. As you can tell, overall feels pretty nice. Battery life on these should last pretty much exactly the same, around 6 to 7 hours per charge. Unfortunately, these pencils do not support fast charging, but these will take probably approximately an hour or so to fully charge them. So to connect the pencil to the iPad, it's really simple. All you have to do is simply attach to the side, and as you can see, we do have that pop-up animation. Works perfectly fine. As you can see, it does scroll perfectly well. You can go to the settings, scroll down, and then tap on the Apple Pencil. That way it connects. So once the Apple Pencil 2nd gen is connected to the Bluetooth settings, you can go to the About page, and then as you can see, we do have an Apple Pencil option right here. Compared to the previous generation that I reviewed on this channel, it didn't have this option. So you can tap right here, Apple Pencil, and this is going to show you all the serial number right here. And just show you guys in the Note apps. As you can tell, it works perfectly fine, really responsive on this 120Hz display. And of course, it does have palm ejection. As you can tell, I'm able to draw without drawing with my fingers or with my palm. That's pretty cool. The highlighter, So yeah, very responsive, works extremely well. So I've actually found a way on how to get this Apple Pencil first generation alternative to function on the latest iPad, even though it has that Lightning port and that the latest iPad Pro is USB-C. So let's just say if you did accidentally purchase the first generation, or maybe you just prefer the first generation Apple Pencil instead of the second generation for some reason, all you have to do to have this function on the latest iPad is you'll need an iPhone. So what you're gonna do is simply plug this Lightning port to your iPhone. Basically, this is gonna charge the pencil itself, but also activating Bluetooth mode. So once you plug it into your iPhone, it charges the pencil, pull it out from your phone, and activates Bluetooth mode. What you're gonna do is simply go to settings, and then tap on the pencil right here, tap on pair. And right now, the Apple Pencil, as you can see, first generation with a Lightning port, should work well on the latest iPad. So let's say I go on the Notes app, scroll down, let's get that red pen, switch to green, why not? As you can see, it works extremely well. So yeah, once again, there is palm rejection even with the first generation Apple Pencil on the latest iPad Pro. Once again, if you do want the first generation, if you prefer that design over the second generation, you can use it on the latest iPad. So that is a huge advantage. Once again, all the links will be down below in the description. And to charge the Apple Pencil first generation, all you have to do is simply plug into your iPhone. This is one way you can do it. And of course, if you do prefer the second generation Apple Pencil for the latest iPad, all you have to do to charge it is simply snap it right here. And of course, if you do scroll down, as you can tell, we do have the battery percentage of the Apple Pencil right there. That's currently at 46%, and of course it is currently charging. So yes guys, once again, if you've got any questions, comment below in this video. I think that these are great options for a student right there, for doing some note taking. These are really great affordable pencils that is a fraction of the original cost and has amazing battery life. Once again, if you did enjoy watching this video, make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.